Horses in. Horses out. We have Grace Parkboy. Pass to begin. And in second, Symphony Barkadahan Magisterium. Then followed by Maaliwalas Gifted Jump. And Speedy McKee is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Grace Parkboy. By our line, Kanehapa. Barkadahan now moving up to take second. And in third, Symphony Magisterium is down in fourth. Then comes Gifted Jump, Maaliwalas. And a long way back to Speedy McKee. And that's still Grace Parkboy. And already out so now is Barkadahan. Symphony remains in third. And a long way back to Magisterium. And that's still Grace Parkboy enjoying a length lead. Barkadahan still in second. Symphony in third. Magisterium and Maaliwalas. And that's still Grace Parkboy by about 2 lengths. Barkadahan remains in second. And in third, Symphony. Maaliwalas Magisterium. As they come down to the last 150, we have Grace Parkboy this time by about 3 lengths. Barkadahan in second, Symphony, Maaliwalas. Last 100 meters, we have Grace Parkboy followed by Barkadahan. And finally, Grace Parkboy, Barkadahan, Maaliwalas. Then comes number 7, Magisterium.